Hello, welcome back. Let us work out this question. We have 10 minus 8 in the bracket 10 minus 8. I am going to solve this question using distributive law, and then I'm going to use the concept of PEMDAS. Let's see. First, I'm going to use distributive law, which says that if I have A in the bracket B minus C, this is equal to A multiplied by B, that is going to be A minus A multiplied by C. First, I'm going to open the bracket by distributive law, that is 10 minus 8 multiplied by 10, we are going to get minus 80, minus 8 multiplied by minus 8, we are going to get positive 64. I'm going to add the positive number first, that is going to be 10 plus 64. Then I'm going to take away 80 minus 80. This gives us 74 minus 80. I'm going to take this as 74. I'll change negative to positive. Then I'll say this is minus 80. Positive 74 plus minus 80, we get answer equal to minus 6. Second, let me do with the concept of PEMDAS, and I'm going to start with parentheses. That is going to be 10 minus, I'm going to start in the parentheses, 10 minus 8, that is 8 multiplied by 2. I'll work on multiplication, that is 10 minus 16, positive 10 minus 16, we get the answer equal to minus 6. So we get the same answer, minus 6. I hope I remind you something. For more video on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.